Two scholars rock fresh, north by northwest, and it's still no rest. Cause we're not finished yet. We broke but not broken, cold but not frozen, lost but not forgotten. We kicking the doors open. Two scholars rock fresh, north by northwest, and it's still no rest. Cause we're not finished yet. We broke but not broken, cold but not frozen, moving in slow motion. It's that Northwest class.
Surfing's a selfish sport, you know, you always want to be the guy getting the best wave, but people need to take a step back and really realize like what's being given to them.
Edmonton, welcome all the way from California.
Straddling that line of, is this a surf film or is this a documentary, was maybe one of the hardest things that we had to do. And as surfers ourselves, we wanted to include as much surfing as possible, but we knew we might be in Edmonton someday, so we were like, all right, cut down on the surfing, cut down on the surfing.
A lot of surf films are like, there's usually not a lot of talking, it's just like beer drinking and like weird situations and then waves. So we're like, okay, we got the waves part, maybe let's keep out some of the beer drinking stuff. But I think what we had working for us was surfing. Right? It's this beautiful thing that exists between humans and nature.
I don't know how many of you out there surf, but I hope what you can take from those scenes would be just a deeper understanding of what the ocean means to us and ultimately what it means to all of us.
Aujourd'hui à Canada.com pour accumuler des points et profiter davantage.